Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys today on how you can actually withdraw crypto on Kucoin. So show you step by step in this video how you can do that. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now you can see here I'm currently on Kucoin. Now you're gonna want to head over to the page at the bottom right hand corner that says assets. Click that. When you do, go ahead and sign in right here. It should look a little something just like this. Now basically, in order to withdraw here on Kucoin, all you have to do is click the withdraw button. Now select the asset that you do want to withdraw. So you can see here that I have some tether. So just go ahead and click on that. Now right here, it's going to give you a few things to do. Now basically, you can go ahead and pick up a wallet address that you do have that you want to send this to. Now this could be a cold wallet address. This could be a wallet. This could be an exchange that you may want to send it to. Just go ahead and place the tether wallet address or the tether address that you do have. You can select the network here as well. You can see that these are some of the fees on the network. Now you can use KuCoin Community Chain. You can use Ethereum. Although Ethereum has massive gas fees, I would never advise you guys to use it. But go ahead and use a network that is good for you. Place the address, select the network, withdraw the amount you want, and then click the withdraw button at the bottom right hand. And when you do that, it's going to go ahead and withdraw your crypto. And it should take like 10, 20 minutes, I believe, depending on how quick it confirms. And basically, when it happens, you'll go ahead and receive it. So that's how you withdraw crypto on KuCoin.